Hello and welcome to training on how to use a company contact campaign within IQ Office. To begin, log into your IQ Office. If you don't know how to access the system, please contact your office administrator and they can help you with that. Once you're logged into the system, go to the marketing icon on the left-hand side of the screen and then to My Campaigns. This will open your main campaign dashboard. Once you're in your campaign dashboard, go to Company Campaigns tab at the top of the screen. Then, under each company campaign, you will see a description of the campaign. It is either an event campaign or a contact campaign. An event campaign is a campaign that has multiple events that you can send out to your contacts. A contact campaign, the company controls the contacts who are associated with the campaign, and you control the content that goes out to them. Select the contact campaign that you would like to create an event for. Once you click, you can add an event by clicking the green button in the middle of the screen or the plus event button in the upper right-hand corner. This will open the content selection title. From here, you can choose from a variety of e-cards, agent promotions, listing flyers, as well as blank content. Select the content that you wish to use. From here, be sure to change the subject line. Choose whether you would like to send it on a date, a month, a holiday or birthday, an interval, day of the week, or transaction date, and be sure to fill in the date. Also, choose whether you would like this to be active or inactive, and select the time that you would like it to send. When selecting the time to have it send, keep in mind that most people delete everything that comes into their inbox between 12 a.m. and 7 a.m. Then, as you hover over individual sections, you can edit anything that comes up with an edit pencil. To change the photo that is shown, simply click on the edit screen, and then you can select from agent photos, select from images you've uploaded, or upload your own images. The photo screen will automatically highlight the size of the photo, and once you're finished, click Save. It will automatically insert the image into the frame. You can also edit the text on the right-hand side simply by clicking the text you wish to edit and highlighting and typing the message you would like to use. Once you're done, click OK, and it will automatically enter your text here. You can enter your information and be sure that you review all information before you click Finish. Once you click Finish, it will automatically add the event to the contact campaign. You have the option to schedule another event, or you can click Done to simply return back to the dashboard. To go back to your main campaign dashboard, click the Close button in the upper right-hand corner. This has been training on how to use a contact campaign within IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.